TZ1 calf mobility and posterior leg mobility matrix with a single leg toe touchdown stepping strategy and an uncommon wedge position, thin to thick corner, to facilitate all three dimensions. We have a top-down pendulum swing driver with the stepping strategy. We will be taking a step anterior in the frontal plane. We'll be using a pendulum swing, arms swinging down from the top upper right, down to the left. Knee is going to be driving down and in with us. It is a feed out strategy to help create more eversion of the right foot. Then we're going to go with a transverse plane, top down driver with the pendulum swing. We'll use a type 1 in sync. Single leg toe touchdown stepping strategy progression. Right foot shifts up into the wedge. We're taking the slack out in the frontal in the sagittal plane. And then also with our feet out, we have created more room for eversion as well as abduction at the mid-tarsal joint. We're going to use an uncommon pendulum swing, high to low, right shoulder to left, contralateral for a wood chop. TZ1 calf mobility matrix, a feed out strategy with an uncommon wedge position. Heel to toe is going thin to thick as we move up the wedge. We will be using a stepping strategy, anterior lateral, so up and outside the midline of the body, and a top down frontal plane, pendulum swing, wedge. Arms are going to swing down and to the left. And then in the transverse plane, we have a top-down transverse plane, opposite side rotation in sync, in which we twist to the left. This angulated step allows us to slide and glide opposite of the direction we want to go, which gives us more room to create a little bit more motion that we want, even though we might be a little bit more, or way more inverted. Then we have a type 1 in sync, same side, thoracic spine matrix. Right arm rotates and reaches to the left, left arm rotates and reaches to the right. And then an uncommon pendulum swing, high to low, contralateral, referred to as a wood chop. Right knee and hip. Right knee is going to go towards and with the big toe and the hands back to the opposite side in sync. TZ1 calf mobility feed out strategy progression with an uncommon wedge foot position and a top down pendulum swing driver. We have a wedge, heel to toe, in which our foot will come in contact with a crossover step. We're going to be moving anterior medial with the crossover, pendulum swing from the top down. We'll be moving in sync and to the opposite side. Left heel comes off the ground, right foot points straight away. Frontal plane, which is our arms swinging down to side to side. Now transverse plane with our pendulum swing. Rotation and twist around the body to the opposite side. So right side to left in sync. We have a type 1 thoracic spine in sync mobility matrix driver. Right arm rotates and reaches to the left. And left arm rotates in the frontal plane to reach overhead to the same side. We have an uncommon pendulum swing, opposite side, so contralateral, opposite side shoulder to opposite side hip. A wood chop. Right shoulder. And with the anterior medial crossover, everything is sliding, gliding, shifting over and to the left.